All right, this is the perfect little cart for testing motors. I'm going to, Dave Ackerman has one for larger tractor motors, and I'm going to do this one for vertical shaft motors, which is these three holes and these three holes for front or back facing. But this cage is just killing me. It's probably where you put your soap bottles and stuff like that, right? So I'm going to cut that cage off of there, and also this support bar here. This thing is going to be plenty strong enough. It's square metal, right? So next time you see this, this box will be gone, but we'll still have the feet, right? And I rigged up this handle, so the handle's going to be great. Oh, there's the key. And I'm also going to put a horizontal shaft engine on here and drill holes for a horizontal engine. So next time you see this, it's going to be a little bit different. All right, my friends, this is the basic idea. I still have to do some cleanups on the cuts, but I got that cage off there and that bar, and now with the wheels on there, it's going to be much easier to maneuver. It's still really strong, and I'm just going to clean up the rest of these tabs so nobody gets cut, like there and inside, and we'll have a cart that I can put anything on. I know, sometimes you have to interrupt your work to get this kind of stuff done to make your work more efficient. All right. I'm just going to use my heat gun. I just sprayed the areas that were drilled and with black Rust-Oleum. What else do you use, right? Now, I didn't get this idea from Musty, but it reminded me of him when he paints something up quick. Musty 1, I should say. Everybody calls him Musty. Good channel, man. I gotta drill some more holes in this. And I just see on the edges now I gotta do a little more spraying too. Right there. And right here. Oh. How did I do that before? Like that? There. Now, this is a motor cart, right? It's not the Mona Lisa. Good. I got a couple more holes I want to drill in this bad boy. I'm going to put the wheels back on. Not bad. And I did some underneath here too. This was fun. I mean, it's not going to rust away on me. Oh, let's see another spot I missed. Behind the wheel. Oh, the predicaments I get myself into. No, it's all black, right? That's all we got to worry about. wheels. I'll be right back. And yes, I'm using a 1/4 inch line on my air gun, but this is just a cart. Okay, forward. You hear how lazy that is? That's because of the 1/4 inch line. I'm yelling because the heater's on it. This time of year. Now, I wonder if I blew the breaker on that. No. That breaker really pops easily because it's the compressor takes up just about the whole thing. All right. Oops. Good. So now there's really only one chore left. Now I can put pumps on with the outlets coming out this side or this side. I can turn the motor this way or this way. The only thing that's left, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do it right now or if I'm going to do it when there, thank goodness. If I'm going to do it when I want to place a motor on here, a horizontal shaft. I really want to see if it fits though, but it's my horizontal engines are up there. So anyway, got to think about this. All right, guys, it's not like me, but I'm going to wait. So now I think we can mount this pump. The reason why I'm waiting for the horizontal engine holes is that it might be a real custom fit for me. Okay, what do we got here now? We got one hole there. There we go. Marvin. I left the towel from painting on there. Well, that was fun. I like stuff like that. Yeah, so drilling 4 holes in this thing is going to be nothing. So now we want to put this pump on here, and I think these are going to squirt out the front. We might get to try this pump today. So the keyway is facing directly forward. Maybe. There we go. Maybe I'll do it from the back. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now the motor, engine, excuse me, there it is. There it is, perfect. Right near the front somewhere. Now I got, let's just bring her up a little bit. I might be able to sit in the magic chair. Yes, I've stolen some humor from Road King. Road King 805. And this idea I got, you guys, okay, everybody, stand back and pay attention. This idea I got for this little cart, I got from Dave Ackerman. Now he works so hard that he manages to squeeze in a few videos in his spare time, if that's what you call it. And his videos are really good. He's got a good dry sense of humor. You know, the kind of guy that when he says something you pay attention. So go to Dave Ackerman, 1967 I believe, and go to his channel, have a look, And subscribe too. I know. Okay. I don't know if I can sit on here. I'm learning how to get this thing on here. Just like that. My goodness. I gotta get the motor more square over the hole. Jeez, it's so close too, eh? This is what makes life a little more interesting, right? Okay, let's squirt that up through there and up through there. We'll get this baby centered with a couple of small bolts. Maybe a quarter. Come on. Come on, baby, light my fire. Why, is this me or what? I'm going to sit on my pail. And cry. I can barely adjust the, I can see from here that it's going to be hard to adjust the unloader. But I can do it. Anyway, I'll come back when I get this bolted up. Now you guys have seen it's on. There it is. It's in there. I'll be back in a bit. Alright, I've got the motor tilted back so the oil won't get into the valves. And now I'm gonna use this to tighten it up because it's 50 times easier. Okay, now don't go too tight. I think I'm going to get the socket in there now. That's good enough because it's going to be coming off, right? This is just a test bed. They don't make these things easy to get at, that's for sure. Okay, and one more right here. Good. You know what? I think I'm ready to test this pump. I am so happy. So we'll be back in a bit. Alright guys, I just had to make a small notch in the frame here. I knew it was going to happen so that I could get an Allen key into the unloader. Like that. It'll go. It's just me. There we go. Like that. Now it's on its side, right? So now we can put it on its right face here. Okay, sorry about that. There we go. Hardly see the notch, eh? Might have to do it on the other side too. But I think the pumps on the other side hang down a little lower. Craziness. just tightening. I guess I'll show you what I did. I turned it up 3/4 of a turn before I even brought it out. So right there, I loosened that 10mm nut, and then I used the Allen key on the end of the bolt and turned it in to get increased pressure.